how to fix Telegram code SMS problem, Telegram code not received or SMS not sending. If you are trying to log into your Telegram account because maybe you logged out and you're trying to log in again, but for some weird reason Telegram is not sending you the code, or at least you are not receiving it from your end, there are a couple of things that we can try. The first basic thing is making sure that we have entered our phone number that was associated very correctly. Sometimes you can try to be patient and wait up to a couple of hours because Telegram might have restricted your account. So if that is the case, waiting an hour or so would be a good thing. Another thing is that make sure it's not your Wi-Fi or your cellular issues, because if you have typed in a phone number, this phone number is not being able to receive messages because you're in an area where cellular network is not properly connected. That could also be the case, so make sure you're in an environment or the area where the tower is properly supported. Now, sometimes Telegram might actually send the code to the existing devices where your account is still logged in. Now, for example, let's say you have a tablet and you logged in your Telegram account on tablet, and then what happens is if you resetted that tablet without logging out manually from Telegram, Telegram will still think that you have access to that tablet and it is logged in. So it will send the verification code to that device where your account is still logged in. If it is a desktop in this case, it might send the code on your desktop where your Telegram account is logged in. So that might be one of the cases. If none of these are helping, do not try from the same page over and over again. Close the Telegram app completely. Go to your Play Store and search for Telegram app, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And last but not the least, I would recommend you download and use the alternative version of Telegram, which is Telegram X. Now, this is not a third-party sketchy application. This is also the official app from the developer Telegram themselves, as you can read over there. So this is an official app. Instead, try to log in from this app, and this time you should be able to at least get the message. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.